Now, Paul, what are your goals for 2020 and how have they changed, during this pandemic?
So before this call, I actually went online and looked at some of our key metrics that we had for 2020. Things like 20 to 30% net gross margin growth, 50% of that growth based on net new. We had staffing goals. We had all these wonderful goals, and obviously things change. And it actually was interesting. I was on a call in mid-March. It was with I'm not going to name the organization, but they had an economic specialist who was in our industry, and he was going on and on about the doom and the gloom and the fact we're going to be down 50% on gross margin, and we need to be prepared to cut our staff and basically readjust our businesses. And so halfway through the call, and I don't know if Jim's still on the call, but I think both of us teamed ourselves and said, this is not working for us. So we've actually reset goals. We've decided to drive our organization on efficiency. And so we've implemented or continue to implement a lot of process and procedures that we've talked about for years. So in essence, we've doubled down on our organization in terms of our goals. So our goals, yes, are different this year, and we're doing it on other areas that we haven't looked at in the past: profitability of clients, efficiency of staff, the ability to onboard our staff and our clients more efficiently. So that's kind of what we've focused on during this pandemic, and we feel confident that we're going to be a better organization because of that. And we're not as concerned about the 20% and the 50% and all that anymore. For at least for this. Well, I'll speak for myself. My partner Jim, I'm sure, is looking at those numbers, but the bottom line is we've kind of refocused, like I said, and redoubled down our efforts to be a better organization than we were a year ago. So.